Hey, welcome aboard. It's Walter here. Glad to have you here. You can check out some beautiful artwork here on the wall here. I want to share with you an idea that has to do, and I'll show you in my charts exactly how this works, with the low tide and the high tide. Just as we have a low tide and high tide out in front of my place here, we also have a low tide and high tide in the markets, and you can actually use it to kind of what I call grade or mark your trade and figure out how it's going. So let me share with you what this looks like, and you'll see. So this is from the course. You can go to nakedtradingclass.com and find out all about the course that is happening right now. And we have a couple of accounts in this course at the moment. The number of accounts will grow as the account grows. But basically, we're trying to take $1,000 and ramp it up to 100 grand over 300 trades. That's the goal. So we've got here these on this account. The open profit is currently 251. And on the other account, the open profit is 154. So, but here's the interesting thing about this, and this is why I'm sharing this with you. That wasn't the case yesterday. Now, yesterday was Monday as I'm recording this. And on Mondays, we typically see the market kind of go against you, or really, more importantly, the Asian session should go against you. Why? Because the strong moves, not always, but typically, the strong moves will happen during the European or New York market. So let's take an example. This is the pound Swissy trade. So let me pull up the pound Swissy. Where is the pound Swissy? Pound Swissy. So let's talk about the 1 hour. What's interesting is that early in yesterday, look what happened. During Asia, what happened? The market went up. Now this is a sell trade. Stop loss is up here. Sell price is right here. So what's happening now is and today, same thing. We're in the Asian period right now as I'm recording this. It's going up, and it'll probably, if everything holds, the trend will re-engage. And during New York or London, it'll start going lower again. And that's very typical. Same thing happened on the other chart. So let's look at, like, for example, the euro pound. If I pull up my euro pound 1 hour chart, what happened during yesterday? It went down on the open and kind of just chopped around a bit. And it wasn't until the end of the day when it started taking off. This is a buy trade. You can see the stop loss and the entry price are down here. And then for another position, the stop loss is a little bit further away. That's the original stop. And you can see here that it's kind of flat right now. If it goes down, I'll get excited. I do the same thing on Mondays and Wednesdays. Or sorry, Mondays and Fridays. Mondays and Fridays. The same sort of deal. If I see the market go against me on a Monday, I get excited, or if it goes against me on a Friday. I want to see the bulk of the move happen Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And in fact, that's where I take my trades. I don't take trades on Fridays and Mondays almost universally. And again, that's the same reason why. If you look at the weekly candles, you'll see, and don't take my word for it, go check out the weekly candles yourself, and you'll see a little wick. A lot of those weekly wicks are made on Mondays and Fridays. And same thing, just as the Asian period will generally go against the day's move, the Monday move and the Friday move, which means because Monday went so strong in my favor, I need to be careful with these trades and see what happens for the rest of the week. All right. I wish you happy trading. I hope this helps. Go to nakedtradingclass.com if you'd like to learn more about growing an account quickly. There's 3 methods there for you. Have a wonderful time. See you later. Happy trading. See ya. Bye. See you in the next video.